Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to preview and optimize email designs in dark mode in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your HubSpot credentials. This gives you access to all your marketing tools and email campaigns. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing to expand the Marketing Tools section. Once that menu opens up, click on Email. This will take you to the email management area where all your email campaigns and drafts are stored. Now you'll see a list of all your email campaigns. Browse through and click on the specific email you want to preview in dark mode. This could be a draft you're currently working on or a completed campaign you want to test. Selecting the right email is important because you want to ensure your design looks good in dark mode before sending it out to your contacts. Once the email editor opens up, look toward the top of the screen where you'll find several options for managing your email. Click on Preview and Test to access the preview features. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Preview as Contact. This feature allows you to see exactly how your email will appear to recipients across different devices and settings, giving you a realistic view of the final result. At this point, you'll see a preview screen displaying how your email looks on various devices like desktop, mobile, and tablet. This gives you a comprehensive view of your email's responsiveness and design across different screen sizes. It's a great way to catch any formatting issues before your email goes live. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the preview screen. You'll see an option called Display Options. Click on it to reveal additional viewing settings. This is where you can customize how you want to preview your email and test different viewing scenarios. In the Display Options menu, you'll notice a toggle button labeled Dark Mode Preview. Click this toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, your email preview will immediately switch to show how it appears in dark mode. This is crucial because many users have dark mode enabled on their devices, and you want to make sure your email design, colors, and text remain readable and visually appealing in this setting. Dark mode can significantly alter how colors and images appear, so previewing in this mode helps you optimize your design for all users. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to preview your email in dark mode within HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.